So, you guys, I was sitting here looking at Fifi's room earlier today, and I was thinking it needs something else, you know? So I think what we'll do is we're going to make her a chandelier, you know? Why not? So I saw this video on YouTube the other day, and I cannot remember the lady's name. If I find it again, I'll put it in the description below. But anyway, so she made this little tiny chandelier out of a candy dish. So I'm gonna do my own take on that today. And guess where I got everything from? Yeah, the Dollar Tree. So if you guys want to watch, I would love it if you do. I would love it if you comment, if you like, if you share it. And I would love it best of all if you subscribe, because guess what? We're starting to do giveaways now. But you got to be a subscriber. So anyways, just keep watching. We're going to do this chandelier for Fifi and see how she likes it. All right, so we have our candy dish, and I just took the phone holder, you know, the little phone ring thing. I just ripped it right out of there, and I'm going to hot glue it into the middle of this. So here we go. And then I'm just gonna put some more. All right, that's good. So while that dries, we can start on this. Now, it does have adhesive, but it does not feel that sticky to me. So we're going to use the glue gun. Okay, so we'll do another line here. Oh, just a little tiny bit. Okay. Good, because that's all I had. Okay, sorry about that. I had a phone call come in. So, back to where we left off. Hey, sorry I look like shit. I just got off work. But anyway, I'm going to talk to you about flamingos. And probably some of you know that they're not born pink. They're actually born gray. They get the pink color because they eat a certain kind of brine shrimp. And then there's like a blue-green algae that they like. And there's a natural dye in that stuff that actually turns their feathers pink. But the other thing, I wonder if you knew this, is you know how they stand on one leg all the time? You ever wonder why that is? Because I did. So anyway, I looked it up, and guess why they do that? To stay warm. Is that kind of weird? I mean, I guess, you know, like with the one leg up, it's closer to the other and closer to the rest of the body. But I wouldn't think it would make that much of a difference, but I guess it does, because that's how they be rolling out there. This is how we're looking. Pretty sturdy. Okay, so we'll let that dry a little while. And while we let that dry, we're gonna cut strips of this bling adhesive, and that's what we're gonna use to hang down to make it like a chandelier, okay? I'll show you what I mean here in just a minute. All right, so I went ahead and cut a bunch of those into strips. I did it kind of the long way so that it got all of the colors. So I guess the best way is I'm just going to put a little bit, a little dot of glue. Which I'm gonna have to go get more. Yep, I have to go get more glue. Okay, so I got more glue. I don't know if you can see it that well, but I'm just putting like, you know, a tiny little dot. And then I'll go around and do some more. All right, so I will finish this up, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it looks, and then we'll hang it. Okay, so this is pretty much it. I know it's kind of hard to see the whole deal, you know, but we're gonna hang it in just a minute. So here's the top of it where we put the glue in with the little phone holder. And then I have this shower curtain hook thing. So I just hooked it on there. And now I'm gonna go put it in Fifi's room. So I'll take you with me so you can see. Okay, so we'll fix that in a minute, but so this is it. We're just gonna hook it. Well, you know what? I gotta put this down because I can't do two things at once. Hold on. Okay, guys. She's got her little light going. It changes colors, obviously. So, you know, it's nothing special, but gives her room a nice little je ne sais quoi. So anyways, I hope you liked it, and we will see you on the next one.